Once we have these two verticals, these two groups of initiatives, what we did was just create this diagram here where you can see the vertical axis are the automation efforts, the x-axis are the personalization efforts, and then we can group customers based on how mature they are in these two verticals, right? So starting from the bottom left, you can see Salesforce Marketing Cloud explorers. So customers that are just starting with Marketing Cloud, they're setting the foundation of the tool really, and they're checking where to go from here, right? So they're not mature in any of the two axes yet. On the top right, we have marketing factories. So basically, they're very solid automating processes, but there lack some personalization efforts. On the bottom right, we have marketing boutiques. That's basically the opposite, right? Customers that focused first on making a great experience for their customers, even if that means spending more resources, more manual resources from the team, as they don't have automated processes yet. And then, of course, we have customers with advanced personalization and advanced automations that are Salesforce Marketing Cloud and DESelect most of the time experts, right? They're making the most out of both solutions. It doesn't mean if you're in the top right quadrant, there are not improvement points for you. There's always new things you can try. But at least we group it like this because it's quite simple to know, okay, where do you want to go next and so on.